Cherokee.
Relatively nice out there.
And there's turkeys over there. Can you see? But turkeys. Turkeys. Very tall grass.
You can hardly see them because they camouflage them.
Yeah, grass is tall. There's 4 turkeys out there. And the elk is about went into the woods. There's 4 elk over there. 2 of them went out deeper in the woods already. And back to the turkeys. Some of you might be wondering why, and I'm going to explain why I haven't released another video in the past couple of weeks. Because it has been raining a lot. The story with this right here, I tried to mow grass yesterday. After the rain had stopped, we got breaking the rain, and I got my zero turn stuck in the yard. I had to get my tractor to pull it out. It was stuck so bad. And in the process, I made a mud hole where the tractor went, and it has rained again today. And if you can hear my footsteps, I'm just sogging through the yard. As I'm walking down toward the garage, you can tell where I tried to start cutting grass and couldn't complete it. Also, while I was trying to get the lawnmower stuck, when I pulled the tractor out of the garage, I managed to mess up the garage door. Opening right there on this side, because I thought the harrows had cleared the garage door opening, and the left side didn't quite make it through completely. So it messed up in the opening a little bit. There's standing water. I'm feeling raindrops right now. There's water standing in the yard. Out here at my little culvert, water running. Out the road, standing in water. The garden spots have about grown up from all the rain. Haven't been able to do anything with them. So there you go. That's why I haven't made a video or released one in a while.